Are you washing your face correctly? Probably not. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Crystal. Today I want to talk to you about something you do every day, but might be doing wrong: cleansing your face. If you're not doing it right, it could be causing acne, irritation, and even speeding up aging. Why proper cleansing matters. Cleansing is something we do twice a day, morning and night, and it affects your skin way more than you think. Today, I'll guide you through how to cleanse your face properly to remove excess sebum, dirt, and other impurities, while also debunking a few skincare myths along the way. First, tie your hair back. Before we even begin, pull all your hair back, including your bangs. If your hair isn't pulled back properly, cleanser can get trapped and cause breakouts around the hairline. If your hair doesn't stay put, use a headband to secure even those baby hairs. Step 1. Wash your hands. Start by thoroughly washing your hands. Think about it. You don't want to rub dirt and bacteria all over your face. Clean between your fingers, under your nails, and every part of your hands that will touch your face. Myth: hot opens pores, cold closes them. One popular skincare myth, especially in Korea, is that you should use hot water to open your pores and then cold water to close them. That's simply not true. Extreme temperatures can irritate your skin, especially if it's sensitive. Instead, use lukewarm water, which is gentler and more effective for your skin. Warm up your face gently with lukewarm water. Think of it like adjusting to a pool. Ease into it. Step 2. Choose the right cleanser. Another myth is that stronger foaming cleansers are better. In reality, harsh cleansers can damage your skin barrier and cause breakouts. I recommend using a gentle gel or foaming cleanser that doesn't strip your skin. Right now, I'm loving a gel cleanser from Regal. It's hydrating, high quality, and smells amazing. Not an ad, just a genuine favorite of mine. Step 3. Cleanse gently and thoroughly. There's also debate about whether you need to cleanse in the morning. Some dermatologists say it's not necessary, but I personally recommend cleansing both in the morning and at night. Use a gentle cleanser in the morning, like a milk or cream cleanser, if you have sensitive or dry skin. When applying cleanser, I start with my nose, where I have the most blackheads and sebum, then move to the T-zone, chin, and jawline. Use your middle and ring fingers for gentle pressure. Be especially careful around delicate areas like your cheeks and under eyes. Don't forget your eyelids, sides of the nose, and even your neck, especially at night after wearing makeup. Try not to go over 30 seconds when cleansing. Just make sure you reach all areas. Step 4. Rinse thoroughly. When rinsing, don't just splash water once or twice. Take your time and gently roll the cleanser off your skin, especially around the hairline and nose, where product can get trapped. Even if you think you've rinsed everything, splash 5 more times. Residue hides in corners. Never rub your face with a towel. After rinsing, please don't rub your face dry with a towel. This is so damaging. It causes wrinkles, irritation, and accelerates aging. Just pat your skin dry gently. I usually pat off about 80% of the water and let the rest absorb naturally. Step 5. Apply skincare immediately. Right after washing, apply your toner or essence immediately. Don't wait. Your skin starts drying out the moment it's exposed to air. I'm currently using a vitamin C essence from Velica. Since I have dry skin, I like essences during winter because they're thicker than toner and more hydrating. Once you've applied your toner or essence, just follow up with your usual skincare routine. That's it. I hope this video helped you rethink how you wash your face. If you found it useful, feel free to subscribe for more skincare tips, and I'll see you next time.